Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable parental lock and unlock on YouTube Kids app. So here, after you update your YouTube Kids, this is the new look. Check out our new look in YouTube app. No more landscape, now in a portrait mode. So here, if you want to get this look, you have to update your YouTube Kids. Now you can search on Play Store. You can type YouTube Kids, and here you need to update. Last update is December 9, 2024. Bug fixes and stability improvements. Now here we go. If you don't have one, make sure you log in, sign in with your parent account. So there is a parent account. You need to sign in with your account. Not your kid, because let's assume your kids cannot create an account because they're not understand yet. So make sure you have your primary account on your YouTube, of course, on a Google account. And here we go. After you create an account for your kids, you can this is home screen, so you can go to your profile at the bottom corner of your screen, tap it, and in order to enable parental lock and unlock, see at the bottom of your screen there is a parent settings. Now you can tap it, and here we go. This is the parental lock and unlock. So to continue, please enter the correct answer, or you can set your own passcode here. So in order to create passcode, first you need to enter the correct answer. So here, let's answer this, submit. Now you can enter 4-digit passcode. Or if you don't want to use your own passcode, you only have to answer this correct answer. So for example, there is a random question, math question for you. And here we go. You can submit your answer. And here, this is the new settings. You can now select an app language for YouTube Kids in parent setting here. And here we go. You can also create your passcode in here under parent verification, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.